Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the error code 267 on Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So I want you to go to your computer search and here, just type Roblox. Now you should get your Roblox player. The icon should look like this. Don't mind the fact that mine's different. So here I want you to right-click and then select Open File Location. We need to change a few settings. Okay, so after you're taken to the Roblox folder, I want you to right-click on the Roblox player and then select Properties. From here, navigate to the Compatibility tab, and first off, check this. Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4, and from the drop-down menu, select Windows 7. The other thing you need to change is tick this, Disable Full Screen Optimizations, as well as this option, run this program as an administrator, so Compatibility Mode and these two options. After you have checked and changed these, just click on Apply, click OK, and hopefully Roblox works for you now. So that's basically how you can fix the error code 267 on Roblox. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.